Ever wonder about a simple solution to common health issues that might be lurking in your pantry? Enter the humble apple cider vinegar, a household staple with a surprising array of health benefits. First on the list, apple cider vinegar aids in weight loss. It contains acetic acid that helps to curb your appetite, increase your metabolism, and reduce water retention. A few spoonfuls a day might just be the weight loss solution you've been seeking. Secondly, apple cider vinegar works wonders for your skin. It has antibacterial properties that can help keep acne under control. Plus, it could also reduce scarring and even out skin tone. Thirdly, it's a natural remedy for heartburn and acid reflux. Its acidic nature can help balance the stomach's pH levels, providing relief from that uncomfortable burning sensation. The fourth benefit is that apple cider vinegar can help control blood sugar levels. This is a boon for individuals dealing with diabetes or pre-diabetes. It slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar levels. Fifthly, it provides a boost to your immune system. Rich in enzymes and beneficial bacteria, apple cider vinegar can help your body fight off illness and recover more quickly when you do get sick. Benefit number 6 is that it promotes healthy digestion. The vinegar contains pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. 7th, apple cider vinegar can help soothe a sore throat. Its antibacterial properties can help kill the bacteria causing the pain, while its acidic nature can help break down mucus and reduce inflammation. 8th on the list, it can help to lower cholesterol levels. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol while increasing good HDL cholesterol. 9th, it can help to detoxify your liver. Apple cider vinegar helps your liver to flush out toxins more effectively and improve its overall function. And finally, the 10th benefit is that it can aid in preventing osteoporosis. Rich in minerals like calcium, apple cider vinegar can help to strengthen your bones and prevent the onset of this common age-related condition. So, there you have it, 10 compelling reasons to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. From weight loss to skin health, digestion to diabetes control, this humble pantry staple packs a powerful health punch. So why not give it a try? Your body will thank you.